Oh, hi. We're gonna turn this into a muffin. It's crazy. Today we are making bran muffins. If you've never heard of them before, not crazy that you haven't, because honestly, until Toni and I started dating, I had no idea these existed. Even when I did hear about them, they didn't sound super great or appetizing, but ever since I've had one, I can't stop eating them, and every time we make them, they disappear within the matter of days. This is something that Toni's mom made for her growing up. Hi, Susie. We are using our homemade almond milk today, but you can definitely use any other almond milk or oat milk or whatever. It just needs to be milk. Yeah, obviously you need all bran cereal, but everything else is pretty straightforward. We're gonna try something new today and use applesauce instead of oil because that just sounds pretty cool. And a little healthier because vegetable oil is just not great for you. You can do whatever you want because these are your bran muffins. Super easy recipe. I'm going to be making it for the first time and hopefully I don't mess it up. Yeah, let's get into it. Pew! So we're going to start off by prepping our egg replacer. We're going to substitute 2 eggs today, so for each egg you just use 1 tablespoon and then you do 2 tablespoons of water. So in our case we'll do 2 tablespoons of this and then 4 tablespoons of water, and we're just going to let it sit and thicken and all that stuff. Obviously if you just want to use 2 real eggs, go ahead and do that too. You can also use flax eggs. See, look how smart she is.
2 cups of cereal.
All bran cereal. 1 3/4 cup of homemade almond milk. Click up here if you haven't seen that recipe already. Hint, hint. Alright. So we're gonna let the all bran cereals soak up the almond milk and absorb the flavor of the milk and all that cool stuff. So let these kids party in the tub for a bit.
Good job.
This is kind of fun. Thank you, Chef.
1 1/4 cup.
1 1/4 cup. Spoon it in.
You are not very good at that. Might just show you.
Oh wow, you're so good at that.
Good job.
1/2 cup brown sugar.
Sugar.
Tablespoon of baking powder.
Huh?
Tablespoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Okay.
Look how much absorbed that is.
1/4 cup applesauce.
Fold it in.
If you say fold it in one more time. Alright, so we're gonna stir it just to combine it. We don't want to over mix it. Thank you, Chef. Oh no! It's all over my face. Oh my god!
I'm dying. That was amazing.
In the oven at 400 for 18 to 22 minutes. Start the timer at 18 minutes. Check it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you're Gucci. If you press the muffin and it springs back because it's excited, you are done. Alright, here we go, bran muffins. This is our first time making it with applesauce, so we'll just do the plain one first. Holy hot.
Cheers.
Smells like cinnamon. Oh wow.
It does give it a slightly different flavor with the applesauce,
I think I love it though.
but it's really good.
Okay. If you've never had a bran muffin, I don't know how to really describe the taste, but it's not like a typical muffin where it's like super sweet and you feel like you're gonna have a cavity afterwards. It's like, just give it a shot. It's great.
It sounds like really healthy and like probably gross, but it's not gross at all. It's actually really good.
Now we got some with the butter. It's all melted by now, but oh god, this cannot be good for me. Down the hatch.
I like how you take the whole thing in your mouth, or you like half.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How could it be bad when you add butter to it?
Honestly, they're delicious on their own, but when you put butter on them, game changer. These reheat wonderfully if you just throw them in the toaster oven for like a couple minutes.
Or if you don't have a toaster oven, if you just like cut it in half and put it on the skillet, like kind of crisps up on each side, and it's delightful.
What was that?
Oh, delightful.
Do you want any more of this? Do you want to fit the whole thing in my mouth?
Yeah, I do. You like deep throated it.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
So that's bran muffins, everybody. The dessert that we all need but don't deserve.
It's not necessarily a dessert. You could have it for breakfast.
Or for lunch.
I found this on the web.
Just eat them whenever you want. And when you store them, put them in a container, but don't put the lid on all the way, right? Otherwise they
They
get
get a little too moist.
too moist.
But maybe that's how you like it. I don't know. You do you.
Yeah. As you can see, baking is not my thing, but it's her thing. So let me know if you want to see more baking recipes, or let me know what other recipes in general you want to see. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye!
Peace.